Step into the world of student living at 163 Stanton Street in New York, your new home away from home. The accommodation offers a variety of shared apartments, providing a homely atmosphere. Each room is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring large windows, plush beds, side tables, and ample storage in the form of closets. You can finish your assignments at the provided study desk or unwind by streaming your favorite shows on the TV, courtesy of free high-speed Wi-Fi. The kitchen is well equipped with a gas stove, microwave, and kitchenware, catering to your culinary needs. What sets this student housing apart is its prime location, with Hult International Business School and CUNY Hunter College nearby. Explore the city easily by taking a bus from E. Houston Street, Clinton Street, or Essex Street. E. Houston Street bus stops to visit attractions like the Tenement Museum or the popular Essex Market. On days when cooking is not on your agenda, savor delectable meals from nearby restaurants such as 63 Clinton or Thaylicious. For a night out with friends, consider Eddie's Celtic Lounge or Lucky Jack's. Embark on your dream New York experience by reserving your spot at the student accommodation at 163 Stanton Street through emberstudent.com.